Out here making a little quick video. Some of these red mustard greens have taken a big hit because of the Arctic frost that we've been receiving. So yeah, this is kind of slimy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a lot of this, either have it for dinner tonight, tomorrow, or put it in the freezer for later on down the road. Red mustard greens. If it wasn't so cold, it'd actually be the best time to grow them because you don't have to worry so much about pests. Trust me, all the pests have been killed off and or hibernating. If you saw some of my earlier videos, you saw where I planted these that came from here. And all this came from overhang pods, seed pods that burst and spread it all over the place. So I took those off of here and I put them in the bed. They were way smaller than this, but they started thriving once they hit the leaf mode or leaf grow. But like I said, it's been so cold, these things are starting to take a hit. So might as well save what I can. And that looks about it over here. I think I'm going to regrow these early spring where it's not so cold. I think it's much better than waiting for the summer where all the bugs are very, very active and hungry. This is a healthy one. Not bad, a little snack. Dice these up. I'm gonna come back for the lettuce. Yeah, I'm gonna come back for the lettuce tomorrow. I even got some leaves over here. Some volunteers popped up everywhere. All right, that's all I got for you today.